Welcome to English House. Let's enjoy the second dialogue between Eddy and Junior.
The new washing machine. Eddy and Junior are at home. Their washing machine is broken.
Great news, Junior! Our new washing machine is coming today.
That's great news for you, Dad, not for me.
But your clothes will be so clean.
My clothes are fine.
Junior, you wore that shirt 3 days in a row.
It's my favorite shirt.
I don't know.
A pet store employee walks over to them. Hi, do you like the turtle? She's very nice.
Yes, how old is she?
She's 5 years old, and turtles can live for 50 years, sometimes more.
See, Dad? She can be my friend forever.
Eddy looks at the turtle. Then he looks at Junior. His eyes get big.
50 years! So, when you are old, you will still have this turtle?
Yes, Dad. That's what 50 years means.
That's so beautiful, Junior. This turtle will always be with you.
Okay, Dad. So can we get her?
When you go to college, the turtle goes with you. When you get married, the turtle is there too.
Dad, are you crying?
No. Yes, a little.
Dad, I just wanted a turtle. I didn't want you to cry in a pet store.
We're getting this turtle, Junior. I love her already.
Great. Can I also get some candy?
Don't push it.